Like other local government executives, Pasig City Mayor Vico Sotto is back officiating weddings at the City Hall. But July 14 was different and special. Netizens noticed Sotto's sparkly eyes as this couple prepared to share their first kiss as husband and wife. Sotto said it was a day for Pasig seniors. That same day, he signed a document giving cash gifts to 54 senior citizens.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.